How to take Amazon Prime membership. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can take Amazon Prime membership, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually take Amazon Prime membership, all you have to do is just go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Once you're here on this web page, you'll find this type of interface where you have to log into one of your existing Amazon accounts if you haven't done so already, or you'll be asked to create an account right away. Once done, you'll find the option called Start Your Free 30-day Trial. So tap on the option called Start Your Free 30-day Trial. Over here again, you'll find all the benefits of Prime, such as movies, TV, and Amazon, all the music, and save big on groceries, and all the Prime benefits. Make sure to view those respectively if you'd like, and then you can go on about entering your payment details, which could be your credit or debit card, or you can also add your Venmo account if you haven't done so. Go ahead and make sure to enter the Venmo details, tap on the continue option, and then you will be able to take Amazon Prime subscription. This way you can take Amazon Prime membership. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.